How to adjust page margins in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your device. Then click on Layout at the top. Then you'll find Margins at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it. You'll find all the margins. But if you want to custom, you can simply click on Custom Margins at the bottom. After that, this kind of screen will pop up. In here, you can add your margins, top, left, gutter, orientation, pages, and also preview. Make sure it's applied to whole document and then press on OK. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to adjust page margins in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.